Court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication.
The defendant's own admission almost destroyed his plea agreement. Watch Judge Boyd's reaction.
Court is calling 2023 CR 4092, State of Texas versus Jonathan Requinez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
Cesar Molina for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Requinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Requinez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are you waiving the reading of the indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Requinez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he was.
Mr. Requinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Oh, shucks. Just 1 second. I'm sorry. My screen is doing something crazy here. And then Diana, I'm trying to find you in the breakout room. And there are so many courts that are listed just the day's date. So I just found you. 6. All right. I just found you. Okay. All right. I'm sorry about that. All right, Mr. Requinez, I'm going to show you what's entitled. I'm sorry. The court is going to find that you've knowingly and voluntarily waived your right to jury trial. I'm going to show you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. According to the plea, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Jacqueline Paredes, Paredes. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with the affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. Did you understand there's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation? Then to the office is charged. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Okay.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states one in attachments.
Any objections?
No, ma'am.
All right, state, have you conferred with the complainant on this case?
We have.
All right, and is she aware of the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you may continue to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Requinez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Believe so, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, ma'am. I think Mr. Rinze is remorseful for what happened there. He's
All right, sorry. Everyone, if you could please whisper, because the court reporter is having difficulty hearing, and so am I. Yes.
He's a father of 3 children with this with the complaining witness, Judge, and the offense happened over a year and a half, and then he's been on the monitor for over 3 months. He's done well and has not violated. They're getting along, Judge, because they have those children. He's a hard worker. He's been working for the last 10 years, the same employment. So he'll comply with whatever conditions.
All right. What are the ages of your children?
1.5, 2, and 3.
Was Child Protective Services involved when this happened or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So are they still involved?
No, ma'am.
What was the outcome of the case?
I'm not too sure on the info on that. I know the case was closed.
All right. Were you required to do any services? What do you do for work?
I'm a cook
Oh, where at?
at Wing Daddy's.
Wing Daddies?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What's the wing recipe that I should definitely try?
It's a secret. I don't think I could tell you.
Well, what type of wing is it? If I go there, should I do lemon chicken? What should I do? The signature one that I should do that will say, this is great.
Hot and lemon pepper do sell. Hot and lemon pepper do sell.
So that's what you're recommending.
That's what I recommend.
All right. Well, somebody try hot and lemon pepper and let me know if it's any good.
Okay, I'll be at the Jack and Keller location.
Okay. Well, I'll let Deputy Laura, she's a foodie. She'll let me know if it's any good. All right. So this happened over a year ago. What contact have you had with Jacqueline? And I know there is probably a no contact order in place, but how were you all parenting the children during
As
this
for
year's
now,
time?
It's just been going through my mother and my grandmother as well.
Okay. And are these the only children you have?
I'm sorry.
Are these the only children you have with her, or do you have more?
I have an oldest one. She's 13.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. If he completes everything, then the court will always consider early termination. There is to be an affirmative finding of family violence. You're going to still have to do your visitation with the children through a third party.
Yes.
If the complainant wishes to have contact with you, she'll need to come in and let the court know that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So there's to be no contact with Jacqueline Paredes. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. The BIPP course. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes the parenting classes, those hours will be deemed to be satisfied. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. If you're tested today, will it be clean?
I don't think so.
All right, so what would it potentially be dirty for?
Probably alcohol.
All right, while you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol at all. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if it's a family gathering, I know the holidays are upcoming, but on probation, you can't drink alcohol even if it's in your home.
Yes.
All right, so there's to be regular UAs. I'm gonna want a field visit one time for 2 months. And then thereafter, it can be at probation's discretion. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Adults get in relationships, things don't go well, and sometimes people become violent. Children were in the home when that happened. They suffered trauma that day. They always going to remember that. And I think people will say, well, they were in the other room. They still heard it. And that makes for them having a bad day, bad weeks, bad months. So you cannot be doing that. You understand? Before you get in another relationship, to know what you should do, get an orchid. And the reason why I say that is orchids, when you get them from the store, they're not expensive. You get them, they're in bloom. The flowers are beautiful. Get an orchid. Once those flowers drop off, do not get in a relationship until that orchid blooms again. And I say that because it takes a lot of patience, because they give you this thing saying put 2 ice cubes, but then you do research. People say, don't put ice cubes in there. They say put it near a window, but it can't get too much light. Sometimes your orchid don't like a certain light, and it doesn't like to be moved around a lot. So do that. Probation in this court, in order to be successful, communication is key. If you need something and you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come into court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
In this case, defendant Jonathan Rinze pleads no contest to a third-degree felony charge of assault family choking. The state recommends, and the judge ultimately grants, a 4-year term of deferred adjudication probation. A critical moment occurs during sentencing when Judge Boyd asks Rinze if a drug test today would be clean. Rinze admits it would not, stating it would be dirty for alcohol. This confession could have jeopardized his plea deal. Judge Boyd firmly reiterates the zero-tolerance alcohol policy